Okay, boys and girls, we're going to start with our calendar. So let's get started.
Yippee! It's April 2020. Let's make a calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
What day of the week is it today? Today is Tuesday. We're going to click on
Great
Tuesday.
job! Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020.
We are going to fill in
Tuesday,
and I want you to help me count or clap to 21. Ready? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Good counting, boys and girls. Let's take a look at our page. And we said that today is Tuesday. Everybody point to Tuesday on their screen like this. Today is Tuesday. Great job.